Woman, stop telling
Well,
yourself you
TikTok,
don't have
there
nothing
one
to
more
offer
talk
a
for
man.
Uno ladies
The
with the out
Jamaican
there.
Vibes
I tell
channel.
Uno self say, Uno don't have nothing for offer a man. So you don't have a house or have a car or money and those shit. You have only for offer a man, you know? Cause no for the money we attack, them nah no common sense. And you have only for common sense to give them. Cause them nah no sense. This man nah no blood clot sense. Can't offer the man they when me meet. Them not no sense, you know. And me I steer them like a blood clot car. And them 8 piece no a work. Fool them. Idiot. Them not have no common sense or capital sense them use. And then them have all have to get for remembrance problem. And me have to think for you. So the fuck you say me not know. Me have only for offer you. Common sense to offer you. And little sense. They need that more than money. You need that more than blood clot money. You need common sense more than money. And I found a man don't and not common sense. Every time I meet a man and me I teach them don'ts. Me is them me are them therapists. Me have a whole for a man. So uno idiot girl we get up to uno don'ts. And then even have a good advice for give a man. They couldn't say uno don't have nothing for offer, uno never right for say so. Can you not know for offer? Uno need have a good advice to blood clot offer. No common sense, a capital sense. Una the man when they with a fool. Cause your man can't be fool and you fool too, you know. Somebody have to have a little blood clot sense in a relationship. And if me have a man and you fool me and you can't be fool alike. Yeah. So when we step and get up a top about, don't have nothing for offer a man. Me have a lot for offer a man and me not for give him blood clot money. Yeah, me not for give him money. Me no say me will buy him gift for them something there. But nobody look for see you go get blood. Get what? Who is you a man supposed to blood clot take care of woman? No the other way around. I true the girl them a idiot and them respect themselves, so them start to take care of man now. Them no value them pussy, so them have to take care of man because them pussy no good enough. But ever since a man to take care of woman. I just have a girl and tell him say boy don't have nothing for offer. A house and a care for offer man is something. That no nothing. And somewhere go blood clot wreck. Cause car na no value. What value car have? But they drive it and it blood clot mash up. And right now to all car go, a whole heap of car go mash up. A pay accident. After who will drive can't drive. Have some idiot up on the road. Ladies stop telling us about the nine nothing for a man. The man should have glad do no blood clot there with him to make him look good. Cause enough time are you there with a man and make him look good and make little luck flow in him life and make something good go and for him, you know. Cause all of the better years them did a blood clot fuck nothing then they go and for him. So when you start telling us about when you do have nothing for a man, the man for glad so in